Hello everyone, if you're getting this here in GTA Online, Rockstar Games Online Services are unavailable right now, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on your computer easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here Windows Security, and then you're going to go into Firewall and Network Protection. You're going to click on to Restore Firewalls to Default, click Restore Defaults then. After that, you're going to close this up and then you're going to click on to Allow an app through Firewall here, and then click change settings, click allow another app, click browse here, and then go to your GTA 5's directory. So wherever you have your game, just go to its directory and then select the GTA 5 exe, click open and then click add on here. After that, find GTA 5 on this list and just click both private and public checkboxes on here on GTA 5 and then click OK. After that, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu again. You're going to write here view network connections. You're going to select your network connection here. If you're on an Ethernet connection, it should say Ethernet, and if you're on a wireless connection, it should say WLAN. So just select your network connection, right click on it, click properties, go into Internet Protocol version 4, click properties here, and then click use the following DNS server addresses. Write in here 1.1.1.1, and in the alternate DNS you're going to write here 1.0.0.1. After that, click OK, click OK again, and now you're just going to go ahead and try to play your GTA 5, and you'll see that you will not get that Rockstar Games Online Service error anymore. So in this case, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.